Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is the news beat presented to you by Ladies Like and J. Santino. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. Valentine's Day is around the corner, and everyone wants a date for dinner.
Sure, we can cut it for courtship, but do we really understand relationships?
With more open talk, we can cut down on stigma around adolescent sexuality in Uganda. We communicate better with our partners and create equality between genders.
True, it takes care and good communication, and I know where we can get this education. Check out Chicken and Chips Season 2. This pop culture production can give us a clue.
Meet Kiki Love, the puppet host celebrity voiced by Tindi, a comedian with Fun Factory. She's the host with the most between each segment, from talk of town to social experiment, where a candid camera captures reactions and challenges people's attitudes in a situation.
Want to know what young adults talk about in Uganda? Check out the conversations on Katwe Corner. Real-life discussions in the mouths of puppets, so you can open up about questions and secrets.
When you're dating somebody, don't just look at the guy's abs. Sit down and talk real issues.
You don't want to bring kids who are going to be an embarrassment. You want to bring kids up who will be the source of your pride.
Let me ask, what cooks food that men don't have?
Season 2 is about to drop, so save the date. Tune in to NTV on Friday at 4 or Sunday at 1:30 p.m. with your date to catch your favorite things on one plate. Tammy Duckworth is a trailblazer, a veteran of war, and a working mother. In the US Army, she was a helicopter pilot. She lost her legs during combat, then became the first disabled woman in the Senate. Here's another first for her. Duckworth will soon be the first senator to give birth while in office. Now check this. Only 9 women serving in Congress gave birth to children. Not much progress. For Duckworth, this indicates inequality because men in public service have kids easily. Since it doesn't show, it doesn't make the news. Maybe this pregnancy can change public views and inspire more women to enter office and fully participate in public service. But it's been tough for this Democrat. She had trouble getting pregnant and gave birth through fertility treatment. Though she suffered multiple miscarriages, she stayed strong and kept her courage. Duckworth was 47 in her first pregnancy. Now she's taking another chance at 50. She's already 6 months long, so it won't be long before she makes history. We wish her a safe and successful pregnancy. Africa is popular for vacations and visits, but we mostly get foreign tourists. Americans, Asians, and Europeans, they rarely say karibu to other Africans.
One reason is the cost of accommodation. You can find affordable hotels if you are looking, but most sites post the priciest books for the rich foreigners that they are targeting. Decently priced hotel listings is the tourism gap we have been missing. But Hotels.ng saw what others ignored and searched Nigeria for room and board that average African travelers could afford. In 2013, Mark Essien launched the company. Since then, they have been to over 300 cities and listed over 10,000 hotels. This setup is doing pretty well. Over the years, they have made a lot of dime, and now they have decided it's time to expand their services across Africa and do for every country what they did to Nigeria. The plan is to partner with Travel Start, a travel agency that is going to do its part by making it easier to find affordable flights. For Hotels.ng, the timing is just right. Visa policies in Africa are better than ever, making it easier to be a continental traveler. I'm MC Yala reporting for Newsbeat.
That was MC Yala with the news on the beat. Check her online if you need a repeat.
Hey, when was the last time you went to church?
Oh, I can't remember. I actually don't go that much.
Well, listen to this story. Egypt is a North African country with a Muslim majority, and you better not say it loud if you're having religious doubts. The Egyptian law forbids people to insult any kind of religion. If you do, you risk 5 years in prison, and that's a serious penalty.
Isn't it okay to have your own idea?
Not really. Egypt is a conservative country. They see religion as the fabric of their society. And the new year started with some controversy. A new law was proposed that leaves atheists very exposed. The head of Committee on Religion, Amroham Rush, wants to criminalize atheism. So if you don't believe in God at all, you could be punished by law. That must be a setback for the free-thinking mind.
Why would you be forced to adhere to a religion of any kind?
Atheism is seen as a rising seductive threat. That is what also Al-Azhar, the highest Islamic institution, said. It seems like a funny twist of history because back in 2015, President Sisi promised a divide between politics and religion. But the liberal turn did not happen. On the contrary, more people than ever have been convicted for blasphemy. But human rights groups do not sit back and wait. They are already on the barricades. One group raised a good argument against the proposed law in parliament. The Quran itself itself contains a verse that says that believing should not be forced. Let's hope the parliament will show some understanding for citizens that have a different opinion. Don't you think it's a shame to have to lie and deny who you are deep inside because you fear for your life?
That was the news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still ladies like I'm Jess Sentino, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, follow the beat.